Hi, Judy Basotsky. Just wanted to share with you what's inside this planning your online course. So it's not a comprehensive document. Some of you are already well versed in creating digital products. So this is for a lot of people that have been reaching out. They know that I've created over 150 digital products in a very short period of time. We're talking about under 2 years. That includes workbooks, e-guides, and also I think around about 30 online courses. So I'm very quick at creating digital products. But this is a very basic outline that I use for my mini online courses, the courses that I create and then I record. Now you could use the same outline for creating a mini course in an email format. So basically you can write out the outcomes and what steps you're going to take to teach in your course. You don't have to use video. A lot of people don't realize that you can actually just record the screen. But I just wanted to show you inside using this little flipbook PDF here. Now, if you're interested in creating flipbooks and 3D mock-ups and things like that, I do have a training on that, so you can go and check that out on my website as well. But ultimately, just here, just talking a little bit about me. When you download the PDF document, you can click the buttons that say read more here, so you can find out more. And I've also put some links into, so if you click that free button there, you can actually go and download all of the free resources that I provide. I provide around about 30 free resources at the moment. I keep adding to it. My aim has always been to support business people personally and professionally, because the more you can have balance in life, the better your life ends up being, not only with health, mental health, physical health, and everything else included. So this is one of the things that you can do with digital products, is you can actually add URL links into your PDF documents, which, so if you're not doing that yet, make sure that you do. So that's just there talking a little bit about why you should create online courses, giving you a few points to creating an online course. I do run a very comprehensive program over an 8-week period called Create and Sell Digital Products, but there also is a self-paced learning option as well. So for those that don't want to create digital products in 8 weeks, they want to do it over a longer period of time. So to read more about that, click that button when you download this particular book. But also just a little question there about maybe what's a topic that you want to create some digital products about, or in this case, an online course. So there are just some little examples there. In 2021, 25% of the population were searching for online courses. They wanted quick, succinct, easy, digestible information to get them from point A to point B really quickly. And it wasn't just business development. There was a lot of art and craft courses being taught over the last couple of years. Now, e-learning is a billion-dollar industry. It's about to become a trillion-dollar industry. So if you're not creating digital products at the moment, think about the different skills and knowledge that you have. And also you can go and check out in my free resources, I've got a 20-minute video you can watch and a worksheet, which is called How to Turn Your Passion into Profits. And it's a free 20-minute video. You can actually work through and identify some of the skills, knowledge and experience that you have, and consider selling that to people. Now, people out there need information. They want information. They're prepared to buy that information from you. So be sure to check that out. So ultimately, just a little bit of a diagram here. I actually start off all of my courses with post-it notes. I've got a whiteboard over there at the moment with post-it notes. And then what I do is I go into a similar document to this, where I actually start to create an idea of what's the outcome of my course, and then progress all of the different modules that I'm going to have. Here it talks about whether it's just a talking head only, so whether it's me taking up the whole screen, or whether it's me with the screen and a PowerPoint, or when I've taught different classes, I have a full body demonstration. So anyone that's teaching something practical, you have your whole body showing your hands, or some people just have showing their hands if they're cooking or whatever they might be doing. So that's really the sample page, and then it's just one page for each module. So you go through. It's got a little bit of an idea of some descriptions here of what you could put into here. And really the most important part is figuring out how long you want each so let's call it module or section or whatever you want to call it, how long you want it to be. Because if you work backwards, so I sometimes would say, okay, well, I want that topic to be 10 minutes, and you realise that it's not a lot you can put into 10 minutes. So planning the time frame of each module really does help. And so again, it's just, this is on the same page. I've set it up so that it's for 6 modules, but if you want to create more, you just print up more sheets and add more modules. So hopefully that helps. Again, when you download the PDF document, you will get all these little links. So if you want to go to my website, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube to watch more tutorials, if you want to come and join a global Facebook community, it's free. All the tutorials in there are free. You can ask questions. You can welcome to come across to that by clicking on that page there. And if you want to find out more about joining the next intake of our 8-week program, it's jam-packed full of everything you need to be able to create digital products, including all my personal Canva templates, so that people are creating digital products really, really quickly. Then you're welcome to join me. Click that link. That link there will take you to the 8-week program, where you actually come into a private Facebook with me, and I run 2 weekly Zoom sessions, one with me coaching and one which is a Q&A with some of our expert guests talking about email automation, funnels, digital marketing, branding, so many different topics. So look forward to hearing from you. Make sure that once you download this, there's an email address. You will receive the PDF instantly, but you also get an email, and you're welcome to reply to that email and contact me and let me know how you go. I look forward to seeing your finished products, and all the best in creating your digital product collection. Bye for now.